Hi Pisces, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It is a general reading, energies are fluid, so take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't, guys. I'm going to be picking out one card and then clarifying it with the others. So let's get started, Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in Pisces. Pisces, you could be thinking about a Gemini person, or a Gemini person could be interested in you. You've got the Seven of Pentacles as the main energy of your reading. I see that you guys are paying attention to your emotional well being, your financial well being, your health. Um, you're basically becoming self sufficient. You don't look for security in other people. You want to be self sufficient first and then attract somebody else. And I think you're doing a lot of inner work. You're working on your projects, you're working on your business, you're working on your services, basically becoming financially independent. And I also see that, excuse me, you guys are paying attention to your emotional health rather than investing in somebody. So you're putting in all the energy into yourself rather than giving it to anybody else. The number seven could be important. It can be in the form of a date, it can be in the form of anything actually. Just keep an eye on number seven. And I feel that an earth sign individual may come into your life. You've got the Two of Wands. Pisces, I also feel that you guys have been waiting for too long. Now you're waiting to change the energies, you're waiting for something to come to your doorstep, you're waiting for some news that is related to some investments or something like that, something that you know that needs to come to fruition. Pisces, the wait is over within 2 months, 2 weeks, or um, the second month of the year, which is February. I feel there will be some kind of changes. The second of any month, the coming months, that'll be bringing about some changes. You could be hearing something about an investment or um, a job, education, partnership, something that you've been waiting for is going to come very soon. You'll be blessed very soon. Some of you could be expecting a baby, and that news is going to be coming within the next 2 months, 2 weeks, or the second of the second month. Again, I'm getting strong feeling of Gemini. You've got the Four of Wands, as I mentioned. Um, Stability, financial stability is coming into your life, emotional stability is coming into your life. The moment you start loving yourself, the moment you accept that you are worthy of the best, Pisces, you are attracting somebody who wants to live a whole life with you. Number four could be important for some of you. You could be attracting a Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries person. I'm also getting that you could be getting a proposal within the next 2 weeks. Okay, this is gonna sound insane, but 2 hours, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, or the second of the second month. For some of you, it could be 4 days as well. Wow, you've got the Six of Pentacles. The person who you're attracting is charitable, is loving, is somebody who wants to serve others and believes in unconditional love. Number six could be important for some of you. You could be attracting somebody from your past as well. But that, of course, won't resonate with all of you. Okay, the star wanted to come out. Wish fulfillment, love, commitment, loyalty. You could be attracting an Aquarius person, a Libra person. I also feel that you could have Aquarius in your chart in some placement or the other. Four of Pentacles, the letter A is coming into my mind. P for parrot is coming into my mind. G for giraffe is coming into my mind. These could be your first initial or middle initial or last initial, or the person that you're attracting, or these letters could mean something to you, Pisces. You're saving up, you're saving up for a rainy day, but some of you are saving up for this marriage, some of you are saving up for a business that you want to start, some of you are saving up for to give it to somebody like a charity or to invest in something. But you could feel a little closed off. You feel that you need to invest in yourself first and then go ahead with any kind of relationship. But that's okay, Pisces. Make sure that you are open to good things coming into your life, okay? Wow, I'm so relieved. I feel relieved. You've got the Ten of Cups. I said I feel relieved, and look at the card. This marriage is going to be a success. You're going to be, really happy. It's going to be amazing. You're going to feel happy mentally, emotionally, spiritually. You'll be on top of the world. Wow, Knight of Swords, somebody wants to communicate with you really fast. They want to make sure that you know that they like you and you're not dating anyone and that you won't run away anywhere. Okay? As I mentioned, Aquarius and Gemini, they're both here. I'm getting very strong Gemini energies. I don't know why. You've got the Hermit, number 9, Virgo energies. You could be attracting an earth sign individual, a Virgo to be precise, but if you need to contemplate, you need some time to introspect, you need some time to be with your feelings and see what's working out for you, what's not working out for you. Take that time, Pisces, and do not feel guilty about it. Oh, wow. Your tarot is over. Now I'll be drawing out some, what do you call them? Oracle cards. If you like this reading so far, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me, guys. Okay, let's see. I'm going to keep all your cards here so that you can see them now. Let me arrange them for you. Okay, let's see some extra messages, additional messages for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. I just heard Leo, so some of you could be attracting a Leo individual, or you could have Leo in your chart. Guys, don't forget to check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Mars readings also. Recovery. This could be any kind of recovery, health, money, any kind of recovery. Within the next few months, Big happy changes await you. Pisces, as I mentioned, within the next few months. Now, few months can be anywhere between 2 months and more. So, as I mentioned, the number two is very prominent. So, yeah, if you had a timeline related question, this is your answer within the next few months. And if you want to relate this to the tarot, then within the next few months, you're going to be finding your soulmate, or your relationship is going to take a very fresh turn, which will lead to marriage and stability. Wow. Have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. Life is not supposed to be so serious, because the more you vibrate serious thoughts and stress out into the universe, the more that the more it gets manifested and magnified. So please make sure that you only vibrate the things that you want in your life. And okay. Spontaneous awakening, activation, integration time. Yes, spontaneous awakening, because suddenly you'll feel as if there's been a new birth, there's been something fresh that has happened. And for some of you, I feel you guys are going to become 100% more spiritual than what you were, Pisces. Now let's see your Moonology cards. Adjustments are required. Step out of your comfort zone. Hold your vision. If you can hear my dog snoring, I'm sorry, she's dreaming and growling at somebody. I don't know what she's doing. Surrender to the divine. And your dreams need a practical plan. Taurus is here for some of you guys. Okay, I don't read these in reversals. Believing in spiritual guidance gives me certainty and the freedom to keep dreaming, even when I can't yet see the result. This is so beautiful. Such a beautiful card. I'm so happy that I got the chance to read for you, Pisces. This was all for you. Thank you so much for watching, and do visit my channel again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.